Hey tubers, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another crazy beautiful trailer we have in stock. This one's a 2019 Haulmark 8.5 by 24 ALX, which is their all aluminum line. Top of the line quality. It's got a lot of features for you guys. This is stock number 14821. And again, all aluminum frame. You guys can see it is still heavy duty. It's still a 6-inch heavy duty frame. You also have an extended triple tube tongue. So this is an amazing trailer for Jeeps. It's an amazing trailer for cars. It's great to pull behind Class A's because it's lighter weight. It weighs 4,500 pounds and it gives you guys a lot of versatility. You can see you've got this gorgeous smooth skin exterior. It's in white, so it's nice and clean looking. And then you guys have an upgraded side door. We've upgraded this to the 48-inch side door. We did a party light here off the side, double locks here with that RV lock and cam bar, and you have a pull-out aluminum step right down there getting in and out of the trailer. 040 skin, so you've got thicker aluminum skin with this unit. Two 5,200-pound torsion axles with brakes, and this is on the spread axle package. This is an optimal setup for trailer towing. It gives you guys the best of the best for the world as it goes as far as towing. And what it does is it gives you an independent suspension underneath the trailer with that torsion axle, and then by taking them and spreading them apart like this, it can cut down on wagging and swaying. So again, great setup there. And then you'll also get the really cool spread axle skirting that comes with the trailer, so it looks amazing. Heavy duty drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear. You guys can see those right there. And then rear ramp door does have spring assist close. Of course, this one also has a really cool triple strip LED taillights. You guys can see that in the pictures on the website. And it's got the nice upgraded locking hasps as well. And then we've got dual transition flaps here. So you've got one at the end of the ramp, one coming into the trailer. Great if you guys need to roll anything in and out of here. It's also great for low profile vehicles because it gives you guys a nice easy angle coming in and out of the unit. Now, this one's got the premium side escape door on it. I open that up so you guys can see. This opens up as like an awning, obviously, as you guys can see that. And then it's got a removable interior fender. Super simple to do. It's just got two clips. You've got one right there and another one right there, and this fender lifts off. Now, benefits of a removable fender, two different applications, if you will. One is for low profile vehicles because when you guys pull your cars in, normally, if you have a low profile vehicle, as you know, you can't swing your car door over that fender. It's too tall. So with that being removed, all you have to do is be able to swing your car over the tires, which is a much less height restriction for you guys. Now, it also pulls off, and it's great for Jeeps and buggies and things with a wider profile because you don't have to fit between your two fender wells. You can drive right over those tires and wheels and get further into the trailer. Now, we also did a 7.6 interior height with this unit again, so if you guys do have taller vehicles, they will fit in here because you're going to have about 7.2 7.3 at this rear ramp door. Now, you also have two load lights off the back, and then 4 D-rings in the floor, 2 here, 2 more up front. And then you also have our amazing Nudo floor with Dry Max, which is this product right here. Super durable on top. And then underneath is the water resistant product, which is on the underneath side of your trailer. So much better than having your standard wood floor. It's not going to rot out on you over time just because it is a water resistant, extremely durable product. Now, we also have vinyl walls and ceilings in here, so you guys can see nice white clean interior with this beautiful black flooring, 2 overhead roof vents, so you've got a couple different places to vent, and 4 LED puck lights along the ceiling. These are great bright little lights. It'll give you guys plenty of light in here to see what you need to do. There's your 2 more additional D-rings, and then back side of this door, we left the step out coming in because you've got the step on the exterior, and that's just going to give you guys some more deck space up here in the front of the trailer. Couple toggle switches right here for your lights, lock, a latch, and a set of keys with that RV lock. And you do have a 4-year factory warranty with this unit because it is all aluminum. So a beautiful, amazing trailer, lots of different applications. It looks clean and it's pretty awesome. So if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available for you guys as well, so if you don't live near us, no problem. Give us a shout. We'll give you guys a shipping quote as well.